Creepers left to rise, buzz like crazy. Everybody's trying to steal my lady. Spiders in the mirror and things can't be right. Back to the scene of a Friday night, to a blessed collision still frozen tight. Spill drinkers, Cupid and the sound of her first chime. And why did you argue? We're dreaming of those eyes, the best part of my life. And when we make love, babe, don't make a sound. The clock won't turn around. Ooh, you turn around with 1,000 little fires. And ooh, your siren call is spreading. Slowing things down when I wanted to race. Catching up again when you try to chase. Feels like we're playing space. You always find a way to make up, right? Even when we start to fly, even when tensions run high, you gotta soften up your sleeves, girl. I'll never enough, babe. Dreaming of those eyes, the best part of my life. 'Cause when we make love, babe, the world don't make a sound. The clock won't turn around. It was a cloudy day, stuck in a traffic jam, swamped on a busy street. Now it's feeling like a climb. Already on the edge, just timber on the rise. The driver smiles at me and say, "Oh, life could be so simple, but taking the day away, making time for some loving, put your son on replay. I'm watching an old-time movie, follow the clouds go by, and drift in the sky. Things never fit to place if you stay so uptight. Just drop off your pretense to make them right. So when you get a bad day and things turn to the worst, remember these words. Life is so simple, taking the day away, making time for some loving, put your song on replay. I'm watching an old-time movie, follow the clouds go by.